be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me.
Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by MOTF, which is a brand under the Shein brands. So I'm super excited because I always love MOTF's pieces. Today they were kind enough to send me 3 of their new collection. These are their, I believe, cashmere wool, 100% cashmere, I believe. I'll check that and leave it in the comments and leave it right here as well. But these are the turtlenecks that they do have available right now. These are absolutely beautiful. They're so soft, so supple. They feel amazing. And even though they're nice and lightweight, they still are very warm and very stylish. So I'm going to be showing you guys some clips of me rocking these. So the first clips are going to be on this black turtleneck. This one is super cute. It does have the white piping all across the front, which almost makes it look like you're wearing a necklace or something like that. The shirt is nice and long, so it makes it very easy to tuck it in, and the sleeves are long enough, which for me, I have long limbs. I am 5'7.5", so I have long limbs, and for these to be nice and long for me are really nice. The turtleneck part is very loose and slouchy, and I definitely like that because I don't like when turtlenecks are too tight. So I highly recommend this black one. You'll be able to get a lot of wear out of this because of the color. Obviously black goes with everything. So yeah, if you guys have questions on how I styled it, I'll leave everything in the comments down below. So the next item that I have is this tan one. Same exact thing as the black one. It's turtleneck, it's got the piping. I believe the size that I got in this was a medium, but I will confirm that. Let me see if it's here. I got in this one is a medium. Let me see which size I got in the black one. The black one was a small and this one was a medium. I really don't see too much size difference in the medium and the small. I tucked them in though, so you know, it gives you a more form-fitted look when you tuck them in. I love how high quality they are and how you can really dress it up or dress it down. So I was sure to show you guys some really sophisticated looks, but the last look is very, you know, casual and dressed down. So the last item is this turtleneck. It's almost like a mock neck because it's not really high like the other ones. It has this knit line going down the front. And it also has these beautiful bell sleeves, which I thought was a very simple yet elegant way to elevate the shirt and make it just a little something different. Again, I tucked this one in. I styled this one with jeans just to show you can dress these tops up or down. I would definitely say dry clean them. Let me take a look at what the suggestion is for care. And it says wash with like colors, machine wash cold, gentle cycle. Okay, great. Do not bleach, do not bleach, tumble dry low, iron if needed, dry cleanable in gentle cycle. So you can definitely wash these yourself, which is awesome. Cashmere a lot of times is very finicky and fickle, but you can definitely wash them yourself, which is amazing for a cashmere sweater, or you can go ahead and take them to the dry cleaners. If you guys have questions or I missed anything in the video, please let me know in the comments down below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I have a lot of good stuff coming and I don't want you guys to miss out. And share this video, share it with a friend, share it with a clothing lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.